Okay, so I have everything set up. I just want to show you this first. I'm using these. I don't have actual toe tips, so I sized out my tips. So we're going to have some crazy looking toes until we cut them down. I have my dehydrator. It's from like Shein or Temu. I just grabbed this primer. It's nothing special. Don't worry, you do not need it. I'm going to be using this Born Pretty 6-in-1 nail glue gel and possibly this depending on if it is hard for me. So yeah, that's everything that we're going to be using. I have alcohol, my tiny flash cure lamp, and my lamp down here. Okay, so the only thing I had to do was try and make the pinkies smaller to fit my pinky toe. Am I missing a nail? I am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold on. We're off to a great start. Found it. Alright, let's get started. I might have to do a voiceover because, like, I don't know. So I already did all my prep and stuff last night when I took my press-ons off. So I'm just dehydrating. I did my cuticle work and I buffed my toes. So we're all ready to go for this. If you want to see that in a future video, I can most definitely do that. Just let me know down below. I hope this goes well. Tomorrow's my birthday. I'm gonna be 34. I hope you can hear me. But, yeah, so tomorrow's my birthday. Am I gonna do a base coat? I don't know. Let's just see how this goes. I might have to use the solid glue. I really like this glue a lot, but I'm not the best at doing toes yet. Let's see. Literally, like, kind of self-explanatory. As you can see, I didn't even say anything. Just put the glue on the tip. Same as Gel X for the nails, really. Oh, this glue is fantastic. Okay, we're gonna be okay. Definitely recommend. So I'm just gonna quickly get these on, and then we're gonna do a full cure in the big lamp. It's probably too much glue. See how crazy? Let me know, do you use toe tips? Or do you do this crazy method that you're seeing me do right here? Can you recommend me some actual toe tips? Like from Amazon? Or Temu? Or Shein? This glue is... I thought this was going to be so much harder with like a non-solid glue. This is working so well. I think you can get this on Amazon, but I also am not sure. I know you can get it on the Born Pretty website, and they're having an Easter sale. And they're gonna have free shipping. So I would definitely get your hands on this glue. I really like it. I've used it off camera, and it's really, really strong. I honestly like it way more than my Apres glue. So this is going to be the test. I'm not good at the big toe. Hopefully that's enough glue. Oh my god, it is. We're having good luck today. This fits my big toe perfect. Okay, so now that we've looked completely crazy, let's do a full cure. Okay, let's cut these down because this is going to drive me crazy. I'm trying to get them as short as I possibly can. Cute. I'm gonna have to use the other regular toe clipper after I do the other foot. I like my toenails really short, so this is a bit too much length for me, but good enough to move on and not drive me insane. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other foot. This went so smooth. It came out even better than the other foot, honestly, probably because I wasn't filming. But yeah, that glue, this glue, Born Pretty 6-in-1 nail glue gel. Guys, you need to try this. It worked so well, I thought I was going to have such a hard time. Not at all. So I need to do a full cure on this, and then I need to cut these crazy looking talons down. So let's do that.